Hello team, today we are going to work on something very interesting. Recently I noticed my water bill going up and I did some research and I found out that when your faucet is actually constantly dripping water like this will definitely cause your water bill to go up and you're gonna pay more dollars. So here you can see this is in the closed position and this is also in the closed position. So now we have to change the cartridge in here because the cartridge has a little extra space from where the water goes down and constantly drips. So my cartridge there is actually from this company called as Pfister. So I have ordered here from the Pfister and I'll show you how the cartridge kind of looks like. And that's the cartridge, right? So we're going to first go down in the basement, shut down the water before you start working, otherwise the water is gonna come out in top speed and make the big mess here. So I'm gonna go down, shut off the water, and then we'll start our work. So here is our main water supply and I'm just going to shut this off right there. Okay, so we are back up now and now we'll start with opening this up. So you just kind of turn this anti-clockwise, here you can see. Turn. And this comes out. And that's the cartridge which you need to change. So this one has a Phillips screwdriver you need here. So you can see, just unscrew this. So this has been unscrewed, you can see this. It's out. You can just pull this guy out. This one also kind of comes out, pretty simple. But then we'll have to open the top part here. So you can just use your little nail, take the caulking out. And this should kind of pop out. There we go. Perfect. So now we just need to change this part with the new one which we received from the company. Okay, so I was able to pull this out, so this came out now. You can see the water supply is off, so now there's absolutely zero water dripping. Now we can start working on the new one here. So this guy is supposed to go in here and we'll install it, but before we do that I just wanted to show you guys something interesting. So this one has the temperature control. So usually it comes on, you can see it's pretty light here, as you can see A, B and C on here. So this is like a temperature settings, guys. So it usually comes at default at B. So you just have to, it has some teeth, so you have to remove this and move this to A. That means you're gonna get nice and hot water. Once you move it, you just push this back in and we'll start working on the installation. Okay, now we are going to use the same metal plate right on the top. It goes right on the top. And with our screws, we are going to bring this unit up. And obviously we'll make sure that the back filters align with the filters and they go right in. And now it's time to close the whole assembly. Okay, so we just tightening it up right there, as you can see. Make sure it's nice and tight so there's no chances of water leak. Okay, perfect. There we go. Two more to okay, so all the 4 screws are nice and in, it's nice and tight. Now we bring back our the cover here. We're gonna put it back as it was in the first older unit, and same thing, just screw this in. So this is gonna hold the whole thing in place now. Alrighty, that's done. Now we'll put our lever back here. So you can see I'm just trying to align it nice and straight. Okay. Perfect. So I want to make sure that it opens in this way and this is where it's going to get stuck, right? So here it's in. Now we just turning it. As you can see, it's getting tight. Perfect. That's it. It's done. Oops, sorry, my fault. We need to put this plate first and then tighten it. Same thing, it's just going to take 30 more seconds. That's it. Alrighty, so the installation is all complete. Here you can see I've changed the position. So this is the off position. I have switched on the water supply and the water is not dripping. Perfect. So there you go, guys. It's pretty simple. You can do that yourself. It's pretty easy. You can buy the cartridge from Home Depot or any your hardware store. And again, don't waste your money. You can do it. You don't have to go to the contractors. Take care till the next video. Bye now.